What's going on, YouTube? I'm back at it again. So I'm out here trying to get my yard together, burning some leaves. Got leaves piles everywhere. Tree right there fell down in the backyard the other day. The weather was pretty bad. It was pretty windy out here. So what I'm trying to do is get everything situated. So once the summer kick in, I pretty much have a clean area back here to work in. That's the tree right there that fell. And I also been working on the Impala at the same time and cleaning all the leaves and stuff for underneath both of them cars, so that way, you know what I'm saying, once I get through with this Impala, I can have, you know what I'm saying, I can get to them cars and it's clean, so I can get some work done on it. But I pretty much got everything started in there. I got to wrap the top of that box right there. I'm just trying to test fit it because everything done changed now. So far, everything done changed because of the material. So it made it a tighter fit. So I might probably have to trim it down on the side pieces, trim these side pieces down, and pull the wrap around it. That way they'll fit in there like they're supposed to. But so far, yeah, I got it all hooked up. Got two door panels. Back here I'm gonna go ahead and do the back doors. So that's what you want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that one and that one over there in the back doors, and I removed the ones that was up there because of the having a problem trying to get the air somewhere. So yeah, trying to get the air to come out the trunk so it won't bust the side walls. But I'm gonna cut this on right quick and let y'all guys hear it. I ain't gonna leave it on long because, like I said, it's beating pretty hard. So I'm gonna turn y'all off right quick and I'm gonna turn you right back on. I don't got it up too much because I really don't want my neighbors to look like that. I think they might be having crowd meeting next door, so I don't want to destroy them. But as you can see, it's barely even up, y'all. And if I turn it up, you'll see this thing swell out. You know what I'm saying? So hold this camera right here. I'm gonna give y'all one little test and then I'm gonna cut it off. Just hold it to the.
If I fuck with bitches, I fuck with them from a distance. I can't trust a person cause people got bad intentions. Mixing up the
What the trunk did?
Bouncing.
Let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm laughing because I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble or not, but I just wanted to give y'all a little test of how everything sounded out. But well, I'm gonna get back to it. Get some more of these leaves on this pile, keep them burning. I'm gonna go ahead and finish working on the Impala. But I want to tell my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Hope you hit the like button, comment, share the video, turn your notification bell on. That way you'll be updated every time I drop a video. I got plenty more bangers coming. So first, right now, I need to go ahead and get my yard together. So it'll be pretty easy for me to get back here in the clean area and get some of these cars done. Well, I really don't have much to do. The Malibu over there is done. Just waiting on the guy to come pick that car up. This car here, I still got a lot of stuff to do. Some special stuff I'm gonna do to this car right here. I got a lot of work. So y'all stay tuned for that video for this Grand Prix. and of course my Regal. I got my sunroof for it, and I will be dropping that in pretty soon. Don't know when, but I'll let y'all know. I'll drop a video and let y'all know when I'll be doing that. Also, right after I get through with the Impala, I will be starting on this Cutlass. So I'm gonna get the body work done, prime down, and then I'll be through with that one as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just do some work on this car. Like I told y'all before, this is one of my homeboy's cars. He haven't asked me to do anything to it, but you know, I went ahead and decided that I'm gonna do a little of his body work for him. That way it'll get him speeded up, because like I said, he work a lot, so I'm gonna try to help him out the best I can. The Malibu is done right now. The only issue is with this car is I'm waiting on 2 bucket seats to come, and I'm also waiting on him to bring me a tire to put on this car, and then this car could be gone. But like I said, once again, thanks for watching. I miss y'all, man. I know I ain't been dropping like I should, but trust and believe me, I'm gonna be back at it hard. Y'all just have a little patience with me, man. I ain't gonna never just give up on what I believe in. It's just that I've been having a lot of stuff going on. Like I said in the previous video, I was moving to Texas, but wasn't really financial able to move right then, because I got too much other stuff going on, like even with dealing with my cars. So before I go and put myself in debt like that, I need to get some of this stuff that I got out the way. But I see y'all on the next video. Y'all stay blessed, keep pushing, never give up on your dreams. Peace out.